Are you spending a fortune on expensive supplements every month? There is an ancient secret, costing only $1 a day, proven by modern science to restore your brain. This hidden gem from the past has the power to rejuvenate your cells from the inside out, offering a level of vitality you thought was lost to time forever. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on flashy marketing. The most powerful tool for your health is likely sitting in your pantry right now, waiting for you to notice. These humble seeds are nutritional powerhouses. By choosing these ancient golden grains, you can save hundreds of dollars while significantly boosting your daily physical and mental energy. Imagine a life where you feel younger and sharper every day without breaking the bank. It all starts with a simple change in what you put on your plate. Modern health doesn't have to be expensive. We are uncovering the science behind a $1 daily habit that can literally change the structural integrity of your aging brain. This isn't just about food. It is about a biological revolution. Every bite of these ancient grains serves as a building block for a much healthier and younger version. Join us as we explore how a tiny investment can yield massive returns for your cognitive function and cellular health. The secret of the golden grain is finally out. This is not just hearsay. Science has finally caught up with ancient wisdom. A massive landmark study conducted in 2023 has revealed some truly shocking and positive results. Researchers followed 800 individuals to track the effects of legume consumption on brain health. The data showed a consistent and significant improvement in memory and focus levels. The secret lies in specific peptides found within these beans. These tiny molecules act as messengers, signaling your cells to repair damage and slow down the aging process. The results were undeniable. Regular consumption reduced the risk of cognitive decline by a staggering 30%. This makes it a primary key to protecting your aging mind. Your DNA is under constant attack from stress and environment. The nutrients in these ancient grains provide the armor your body needs to maintain its genetic integrity naturally. Imagine your brain staying as sharp at 80 as it was at 30. This research proves that we have more control over our cognitive destiny than we thought. Academic circles are buzzing with this discovery. It is rare to find a food that is so accessible, yet so profoundly effective at preventing the most common brain diseases. The simplicity of this solution is its greatest strength. By understanding the biochemistry of the bean, we unlock a path to longevity that is available to everyone. Chronic inflammation is the enemy of the brain. These grains contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds that soothe your nervous system and allow your mind to function at its peak. Every bean is a tiny laboratory of life. The complex chemicals they produce are perfectly designed by nature to support the most complex organ in the human body. We are seeing physical changes in brain structure. This is not just about feeling better. It is about building a more resilient brain that can withstand time. Let's talk about the economics of health. Why are we conditioned to believe that expensive food is better? The truth about protein costs might actually surprise you. You can pay $20 for a pound of meat, or you can get the same amount of protein from beans for just $1 single today. The math is simple, but the impact is profound. For anyone on a fixed income, this is the smartest economic decision you can make for your long-term health. Smart shopping allows you to allocate your budget elsewhere while still getting premium nutrition. These seniors have found the secret to eating like royalty on a budget. When you choose beans, you aren't just saving money, you're buying variety. From fiber to minerals, you get a full spectrum of health benefits in every bag. This isn't just a bargain, it's a nutritional steal. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can fuel your entire body with high-quality, plant-based protein. Building a protein bank in your pantry is the ultimate way to ensure food security and health. These dried goods last for years without losing their value. In an era of rising inflation, the humble bean remains the most stable and reliable source of nutrition. It is the gold standard for the budget-conscious health enthusiast. Nutrition is about what goes into your body, not how much you paid for it. This beautiful dish costs pennies, but offers more than a 5-star steak. Feed your entire family for the price of a single fast food meal. This is the 21st century solution to the global challenge of affordable, high-quality human nutrition. Turn your pocket change into a fountain of youth. The economics of protein have never been clearer. Beans are the undisputed champions of value and health. Many people avoid beans because they fear the discomfort of bloating. However, this common issue is easily solved with a few simple, ancient kitchen tricks. The first secret is the soak. By adding a pinch of baking soda to your soaking water, you break down the complex sugars that cause gas. Letting them sit overnight is crucial. This process initiates a pre-digestion phase, making the nutrients much more bioavailable and much easier for your gut to handle. Using a pressure cooker is another game changer. High pressure effectively neutralizes lectins and other anti-nutrients that can sometimes cause digestive distress in sensitive individuals. Adding fresh ginger to your pot is not just for flavor. Ginger is a natural digestive aid that speeds up the movement of food through your system. Spices like cumin and fennel are your best friends. These ancient carminative herbs prevent gas formation and make the entire meal smell and taste absolutely incredible. If you are new to beans, try blending them. A smooth puree or soup is much easier for your digestive enzymes to process as your body adapts. Staying hydrated is also key. Fiber needs water to move smoothly through your colon, ensuring you feel light and energized rather than heavy and bloated after eating. Your gut microbiome will actually transform over time. The more beans you eat, the more good bacteria you grow to help digest them more efficiently. Don't let the fear of bloating stop you. With these simple preparation techniques, you can enjoy all the benefits of legumes with none of the unpleasant side effects. Always remember to discard the soaking water and rinse thoroughly. This simple step removes the released oligosaccharides that are the primary cause of digestive gas. Cooking them until they are very soft is the final rule. A well-cooked bean should melt in your mouth, signaling that its fibers are ready for digestion. Think of beans as fertilizer for your internal garden. You are feeding the tiny allies in your gut that keep your immune system and brain healthy. Lemon juice added at the end also helps. The acidity aids in breaking down the beans further and adds a bright, fresh flavor to your meal. Master these secrets, and you will never fear the bean again. Your digestive system will soon thank you for this incredible, nutrient-dense fuel source. Success requires a plan. Batch cooking is the secret to staying consistent. Spend just 1 hour on Sunday preparing your protein bank for the entire week. Treat your freezer like a high-yield savings account. These pre-cooked beans are your assets, ready to be withdrawn whenever you need a quick, healthy boost. Don't rush the process. In the first week, start with just a quarter cup of beans a day. Give your body time to adjust to the new fiber. By week 2, your gut bacteria are beginning to adapt. Increase your serving to half a cup and start noticing the steady energy levels throughout the day. In the third week, you will likely be fully adapted. You can now enjoy a full cup of beans daily, unlocking the maximum brain-rejuvenating benefits science promises. Mornings are busy, but with your protein bank, a healthy breakfast takes only 2 minutes. It is the perfect, low-cost fuel for a productive day ahead. One batch of beans can become 3 different meals. Add them to your eggs, toss them in a salad, or stir them into a warm, comforting evening soup. Consistency is more important than perfection. By following this 3-week roadmap, you are building a lifestyle habit that will serve your brain for decades to come. You are taking control of your health destiny. This simple roadmap removes the guesswork and makes cellular rejuvenation an easy, daily reality for anyone. Time works in your favor when you eat right. Each day of following this plan is a deposit into your long-term cognitive and physical health account. Avoid the decision fatigue that leads to poor food choices. When your protein is already cooked and waiting, the healthy choice becomes the easiest choice. Fast food can be healthy food. These prepared grains are the ultimate convenience food, providing instant nutrition without the harmful additives found in processed snacks. Mix and match your bank for better results. Combining different beans ensures you get a wide array of antioxidants and minerals every single week. The 3-week transition is a journey of transformation. By the end, Your body will crave these nutrient-dense grains more than any sugary or processed alternative. You have built the foundation. Now let's see how this simple $1 habit has changed the life of someone just like you in the real world. Meet Beverly Kelly. At 80 years old, she possesses the energy and mental clarity of someone decades younger, and she attributes it all to her plate. A few years ago, Beverly felt her memory slipping and her energy fading. She feared that her best years were behind her and that decline was inevitable. She decided to embrace the ancient secret of the golden grain. Slowly but surely, the fog in her mind cleared, and her physical strength began to return. Now every meal is a celebration of life. Beverly doesn't see beans as diet food. She sees them as her secret weapon for a vibrant, independent lifestyle. Her grandchildren can barely keep up with her. Beverly is no longer just a bystander in her family's life. She is right at the center of the action. She is passing on more than just recipes. She is passing on a legacy of health. Beverly's daughter has already started her own 3-week journey toward rejuvenation. If an 80-year-old can reclaim her vitality, so can you. Beverly is proof that the human body has an incredible capacity to heal when given the right fuel. Her gaze tells a story of resilience and possibility. She wants the world to know that aging doesn't have to mean fading away into the shadows. Her cognitive tests are better now than they were 10 years ago. This is the physical manifestation of brain recovery through simple, natural nutrition and persistence. She doesn't need expensive pills or miracles. She found her fountain of youth in a $1 bag of beans, and she has never looked back. Beverly's story is your story waiting to happen. The path to a sharper brain and a younger body is open and waiting for you to take the first step. Let's review the simple steps. Soak, cook, freeze, and eat. It is a simple cycle that takes only minutes but adds years of quality to your life. $1 a day is all it takes to invest in your future self. There is no better return on investment than the health of your own mind. The secret of the golden grain is now in your hands. You have the knowledge, the science, and the inspiration. The only thing left is action. Recover your brain, rejuvenate your cells, and protect your finances. Start your $1 journey today and become the next success story in this ancient health revolution.